How to read unread messages on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to read unread messages on Messenger. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the menu icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on the message request. And now here in this section, some unread messages may be hidden here from people you don't follow. So here you can simply scroll through your chats and simply unread messages have a blue dot next to them. So there you can just tap on any chat to open and read the message. And here if you have many chats, then you can see or you can even have a search bar option in there. So there you can simply tap on the search bar and type the contact name and open the chat. And this will help you to find unread messages quickly. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.